tous, comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez tout bien. Hello all, today we look into the top 10 French companies. Nous savons que la France est une capitale mondiale de la mode. Elle est célèbre pour ses maisons de couture et ses parfumeries. It is famous for its French fashion houses and its perfumeries. Did you know that you can customize your perfume in France? You can mix and match and create your own perfume also. There are many boutiques that allow you to do so in France. As we know, France is the fashion capital of the world. Most of the famous French companies are fashion houses. Okay, so let's look at them one by one. On y va! Donc, on va commencer. Avez-vous vu ce sac dans les magasins ou des journaux? Have you ever seen this bag in fashion magazines or newspapers? Well, do you recognize this lady? Yes, she is Victoria Beckham. Elle s'appelle Victoria Beckham. What is she holding? Well, it is one of the costliest bags in the world. It's an Hermes bag. Oui, vous avez raison, c'est Hermes. Hermes is a fashion luxury goods manufacturer from France. Hermes est l'une des plus grandes marques de luxe au monde. It has a brand valuation of 18 billion US dollars. Yes, that's right. 18 billion US dollars. Elle vend de la maroquinerie, des accessoires lifestyle, des meubles, des parfums, des montres, des bijoux, du prêt-à-porter et de la sellerie. Well, you name it and they sell it. Watches, perfumes, handbags, furniture, and even saddlery. Well, do you see this watch tambour worn by a famous American actor Bradley Cooper? Yes, it's the famous French brand Louis Vuitton. C'est Louis Vuitton. It was founded in 1854 with headquarters in Paris. It deals majorly in apparel, footwear, accessories. Currently, it has more than 1,500,000 employees all over the world. Yes, that's correct. 1,500,000 employees. Connaissez-vous un fait sur LV? Les sacs ne sont jamais en solde et il faut prendre rendez-vous pour visiter leur boutique. Moving on, let's look at another French major. Passons maintenant à notre prochaine spécialité française, c'est L'Oréal. Let's face it, we all have used a L'Oréal product at least once in our life, be it a shampoo, conditioner, or even a hair color. And yes, we all remember the slogan because I'm worth it. Le slogan, parce que je le vaux bien, est attaché à l'image de la marque L'Oréal Paris, les années 1970 et couvre la totalité de ses produits. So moving on to the next in list, well, it's none other than Dior. We said Dior. Well, we have all seen those lovely makeup items from Dior, often online and in stores. Dior est un grand nom de l'industrie de la mode. Par exemple, une bouteille de 250 000 de Oud Isfahan coûte plus de $600. Moving on, as the name suggests, it is a global energy specialist which operates in about 100 countries. Notre mission est d'être le partenaire de confiance en matière de développement durable et de la facilité, meaning they believe in sustainable development and efficiency. Moving on to the next in list is BNP Paribas. You must have seen this logo somewhere in your city. Looks like a bank, no? Well, BNP Paribas est une banque universelle multinationale française et une société holding de services financiers dont le siège social à Paris. You can surely discover about this company by looking into its fact sheet. Hey, wait, this name sounds familiar. We've all heard this name during COVID. Sanofi? Yes, you're right. Sanofi developed the first anti-COVID vaccine across Europe. Sanofi est une entreprise transnationale française dont les activités incluent la pharmacie. Well, let's talk about its financial performance. Sanofi generated 41 billion euro in revenue in 2024. Well, that says about it all. Now, you must have seen this name on hoardings in your city. Yes, it's AXA. AXA est un groupe international français spécialisé dans l'assurance depuis sa création et dans la gestation. AXA is a French major insurance company. Next on the list is Crédit Agricole. Crédit Agricole is a French major international banking group founded in 1894. Known for its cooperative structure and global presence, it operates in 33 countries, including Africa, Latin America, and Asia Pacific. Now, you must have seen this yogurt in your nearest grocery store. Well, Danone is a French multinational food products corporation based in Paris. Their three core pillars are health, nature, people, and communities, covering everything from nutritional targets to parental rights. Donc, avec cela, nous arrivons à la fin de cet épisode. Je vous verrai dans le prochain épisode. Donc, à bientôt et merci beaucoup, mes amis.